My name is Robert Hunter. I'm Managing Director of Leisure Furnishings Limited, and I've been with the business 18 years. Leisure Furnishings, we manufacture soft furnishings for the leisure industry. Headboards, curtains, mattresses, anything you have in your home that has fabric on it, we manufacture here. Well, the business started almost 20 years ago with about half a dozen employees, and we've grown to a position now where we have 250 employees, 100,000 square feet, and they're one of the main suppliers to the leisure industry in the UK. Yeah, all the product that we manufacture is manufactured here in the Long Eaton site, manufactured in the UK, something that we're very proud of. The frames for your sofas is UK sourced, local business. The foam supplier is a UK business. I think it gives us that quality. We have 250 quality control experts in the business. Every employee has the ability to put a stop to a job if they think that it's not to the standard that should be going through the business with the specifications that are required to manufacture the product. It's very much a team effort. We're successful as a team, and we want to ensure that as the goods go out the door, the customer is equally happy with the product that they receive as we are with the product that we manufacture. I think customers choose to work with Leisure because primarily we are a very personal company. Though we are of a significant size, a mid-sized company, we have that family feel about it. But with that, we deliver a professional attitude, professional service. We deliver on time, in full. It's a relationship with our customers. We're not just a number. It's that personal trait that we bring to the business, which I believe our customers really appreciate.